Okay, Hal, for you.
Can you dig it?
Hey, you! Stop!
Oh, goody! Our very own tunnel! Thank you, thank you, thank you! Oh, sorry for being loud.
Just one moment, my turtle friends, while we properly open the tunnel. Today is a momentous day, a day of great celebration, a day that ushers in an era of safety first. I hereby declare the Turtle Tunnel officially open!
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Hello, I'm Hal. Welcome to Turtle Tunnel.
Step lively, ladies. Oh, good luck on the other side.
Hello, I'm Hal again. Welcome to Turtle Tunnel again.
Yes, you got it's working. That's really working. Uh-oh, we have a stray. Hey, you! Stop! You can't cross there, honey.
Oh, and another turtle still trying to cross the road down there.
Oh,